The network effect is the idea that a service or product becomes more valuable as more people use it. Because of network effects, certain goods or services that are adopted widely will appear to be much more attractive to new customers than competing goods or services. There are 13 different types of network effects. From that list of 13, I will go through the first 5, which are direct effects in this video. The first type is physical effect. This is a type of direct effect where the nodes and links are physically connected. They are the most defensible type and have the strongest effect as the nodes are literally connected. An example of physical network effect would be public utilities such as roads, landlines, and the electricity grid. The second type of effect is protocol. A protocol network effect arises when a communications or computational standard is declared, and all nodes and node creators can plug into the network using that protocol. Ethernet is a traditional example of a protocol network effect. When Robert Metcalfe founded Recon, he persuaded DSC, Intel, and Xerox to adopt Ethernet as a standard protocol for local computer networks. Once a protocol has been adopted, it is extremely difficult to replace. Note how the fax protocol is still in use, or the TCP/IP protocol, even though other better protocols now exist for those purposes. Personal utility networks have two distinguishing qualities. The first is that users' personal identities are tied to the network in question, often with usernames tied to their real name as with Facebook Messenger. The second is that they are essential to the personal or professional lives of users on a daily basis. Another example of this type of network would be WhatsApp. The personal network effects arises from the interpersonal tribal impulse to build connections with others. It's this impulse that compels people to join and stick with a network, for instance Facebook, LinkedIn, or a religion, because their friends, co-workers, neighbors are also part of that network. Personal networks are less vital. You can stop using them, and your life won't change that much. A market network combines the identity and communication aspects of a personal network with the transaction focus and purpose that typify a marketplace. Marketplaces provide transactions among multiple buyers and multiple sellers like Poshmark, eBay, Uber, Patreon, and Lending Club. Networks provide profiles that project a person's identity and then lets them communicate in a 360-degree pattern with other people in the network. Think Facebook, Twitter, Goodreads, and LinkedIn.
Created using Powtoon.